Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's A Couponer's Guide to Gifting, I thought I would share with you guys another Dollar Tree gifting idea. So I went ahead and put together a really fun bag inside of here. So Jen, if you are watching, do not watch this video because this is for you. So don't watch it. So click out, Jen. Do not watch this. I am going to be gifting to designer Jen this holiday season, and she does not like coffee. So I wanted to do something fun. So I thought of coming up with a hot chocolate bag. So what I did is I found this cute little container from the Dollar Tree, and it has gingerbread men, and it's really good quality in my opinion. And inside I put 6 different hot chocolate packets. And then I also, in this little container right here, I put some toppings that she can put on her hot chocolate. So I have some marshmallows, I have some sprinkles, and then I just have it, tightly packed here. And then I also have some candy canes for her and her family. Sawyer just flushed the toilet, don't mind him. Thank you, Sawyer. So then I also have 4 candy canes for them. Okay, so then I also got some of these paper hot drink containers. So I got these off of Amazon. So I put 4 of them in here because she has a family of 4. Minus, I don't think Charlotte's going to be able to have hot chocolate because Charlotte is a baby. And then also inside of here, I just threw in a gift card pack from Starbucks. So it is a pack of 4 $10 gift cards. So, if they want to go in and get a sweet treat over at Starbucks, then they absolutely could do that if they're on the go. I know Jen doesn't drink coffee. And then I also threw in some of these Junior Mint Peppermint Crunch candies. I thought this would be really fun to top on top of their hot chocolate as well. So this is a fun little way to take a spin on a hot chocolate bag. And then I just put it in this bag that says no peeking until Christmas. So I thought this was a really fun way to spruce up a Starbucks gift card, or maybe you want to gift a food gift and you want a more creative spin. I think a teacher would love to get that as a gift. I don't know if you guys are teachers. In the comment section, let me know if you would love to receive that as a teacher gift. And if I get a lot of response of yes, then maybe I'll replicate that and gift it to my kids' teachers as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's A Couponer's Guide to Gifting. So I want to know what you were looking for at the Dollar Tree. So question of the day, comment below what you have been searching high and low for at your local Dollar Tree. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye guys.